Hey there, in this video I'm going to walk you through how I created this font color change effect in Adobe After Effects, whereas once the background changes color, the font color will also change color. This is a cool effect if you're like me who likes to share their motion graphics on social media. So we're going to go create a new composition, set the size to 1080 by 1080 because I like posting these on Instagram. Then we're going to go to Layer, New, and add in a new solid. You can choose whatever color you want. I already have mine set to teal because it's one of my brand colors, so I'm just going to leave it as is. Now we're going to go to the text tool. We're going to add in a title. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to use one of my favorite quotes. I'm going to go and copy and paste that in. You could choose whatever you want. And now I'm just going to tidy it up by centering it into the comp. And I'm just going to make this one navy. And now I'm going to add in the navy background. And to do that, I'm going to go to the rectangle tool, set the fill to navy. You could choose whatever color you want. Set the stroke to none. And I'm going to double click the rectangle tool to make it the full size of the comp. And now I'm going to move forward in time to about the 7-second mark. Press P on the keyboard to bring up the position. And I'm going to put a keyframe. And now I'm going to go backwards in time and move the rectangle so it's just slightly out of view of the comp viewer. If you want to keep it in line, you can press and hold shift as you're moving it up. And then you'll get an animation that looks like this. And as usual with After Effects tutorials, we're going to press and hold F9 to make them easy ease keyframes. I think I want to keep the teal background on for a little bit longer, so I'm going to move the first keyframe up slightly, which will give us something like this. So now that we have that, we're going to go to our text layer. We're going to hit Control D on Windows to duplicate. And on our duplicate copy, we're going to move it above the navy rectangle or whichever color you used. We're going to change the font color on that one to white so we can see it. I'm using an off-white color. You could choose whatever color you want. And now we're going to add a mask over this duplicated copy. So make sure our text is highlighted and go to the rectangle tool and make a mask over that text and try to make it as closely wrapped to the title as you can. And then we're going to move it so where the navy layer is just slightly past that text. Go towards our mask, choose the down arrow, and put a keyframe on the mask path. And now we're going to move backwards to where it's slightly above that text layer. Go to our selection tool, double click one of the vertices, and then we're going to put the path just above it. Which will then give us an animation like this. So as the navy layer is coming down, the masked path will follow suit. And as you can see, as the navy layer is moving down, the text layer that is the off-white color starts to appear.